Hello everyone and welcome to Classroom Guidance Skills section, a free resource created to help senior cycle students explore careers in Ireland. This website explains 16 different sectors of the Irish workforce, using peer-reviewed information from the National Skills Bulletin. So, if you're not sure about what you want to do after school, or if you're curious about what careers are actually in demand, this is the perfect place to start. Each sector has its own short video. These videos explain things like how much the sector is growing, what gaps or job shortages exist, what type of people are drawn to that work, and what kind of average salary could you earn. Step 1. Choose any sector you're curious about. Pick one that sounds interesting to you, like healthcare, construction, business, and more. Step 2. Click into the sector, press play, and watch a short video for that sector. While you're watching, focus on the key points. Is the sector growing? What jobs are needed? And would that type of work suit you? Step 3. When the video finishes, complete the 10-question quiz. The quiz is there to help refresh your memory and test what you've learned, so you actually remember the key facts. If you're not sure where to start, try this. Pick 3 sectors you like the sound of, watch the videos, and complete the quizzes. Then compare them. Which one fits you best? So, that's how you use Classroom Guidance Skills section. Pick a sector, watch the video, take the quiz, and take one step closer to figuring out what career path might suit you. Thanks for watching and best of luck.